my God, Swayze. You are not going to believe what happened to me yesterday.
Whoa, hi. Okay, I was not ready for that. What happened? Why are you laughing so hard?
Okay, okay, give me 1 second. So, I was at that new Italian place with my friend, right?
Uh-huh, the one on the corner?
That one. And the waiter offered to take our picture. So he lifts up the phone and says, "Okay, everybody say cheese."
Classic.
And Swayze, I don't even know what happened in my brain, but instead of cheese, I looked right at the camera and said, "Kiss."
You said what?
Kiss! Just right out loud. The whole table went completely silent for like 2 full seconds.
Laramie, no. What did you do?
I just froze up. My face went so red I probably looked like a tomato.
Okay, that is so us.
Honestly, though, that's exactly why I wanted to talk about this today.
About accidentally asking strangers for a kiss?
No, about that feeling. That scary moment when you're speaking English and your brain just stops.
Oh, I know that feeling so well. And it's not just restaurants.
Exactly. It happens at the cash register, at a cafe, even at the gym.
Anywhere someone asks you a question you didn't expect.
So today, we're going to help you get through those exact moments, the awkward ones.
Ah, awkward. That uncomfortable, a little embarrassing feeling, right?
Exactly that. We've all been there.
Speaking of awkward moments,
Uh-oh, I know that voice. What did you do?
let's just say I have a story, a delivery guy, a word I completely misunderstood, and, security showing up at my apartment door.
What? Security? Swayze, you cannot just say that and not explain.
I will, I promise, later in the episode. But first, let's get through today's lesson. Trust me, it connects perfectly.
Fine, fine. But everyone, stay with us for that story.
And while you're waiting for it, tell us in the comments, what's the most embarrassing thing that's ever happened to you while speaking English? We read every single one.
Okay, let's get into it.
These awkward moments, they happen when you hang out with friends, when you're shopping, working out, basically everywhere.
Hang out. Just relaxing, spending time with people. Such a useful little phrase.
Right. So let's go through the most common places this happens, one by one. First up, cafes and restaurants.
Probably the place we use English the most in daily life.
Let's start super simple. If you want to order something,
You just say, "Can I get a cappuccino, please?"
easy. And if you're not sure what to choose,
Ask, "Do you have any recommendations?" I use that one all the time.
and when you're finished and ready to pay,
"Can I get the bill, please?" Or, "Can I have the check?"
okay, let's actually act this one out. I'll be the barista, you be the customer.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hi there, welcome in. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, can I get a small latte, please?
Of course. Anything else for you?
Actually, do you have any recommendations for something sweet?
Oh, our blueberry muffins are incredible today.
Perfect. I'll take one of those too, thank you.
See? That's it. You already know exactly what to say.
It really is that simple. Usually.
Usually,
Okay, fine. Story time. So, I walk into a cafe ready to order my usual coffee. Simple, right?
right?
But the cashier looks at me and says, "Hi, how's your day going?"
Oh no, I know exactly where this is going.
And I just froze up. Completely. My mind went totally blank.
Froze up. Ha! I love that one. That exact moment, your brain just shuts off.
Exactly. I stood there like a statue.
So what did you actually say?
I finally mumbled, "Good, coffee, please." It didn't even make sense.
That might be the greatest answer to "How's your day?" in history.
This is exactly why small talk is so hard sometimes. One simple, friendly question, and my brain just quits.
Small talk, those quick, friendly little chats, they really can be trickier than they sound.
My honest tip? Keep a simple answer ready. "Good, thanks. And you?" You don't need to be creative, just quick.
Great advice. Okay, next scenario. Shopping malls and stores.
Oh, this one's classic. You walk in and immediately a sales assistant appears.
Hi there, can I help you find anything today?
And sometimes you just want to look around first, right?
Then you simply say,
I'm just browsing, thanks.
perfect phrase. Polite, simple, and it works every single time. Actually, let's act this one out too. I'll be the world's most enthusiastic sales assistant.
Oh no, here we go.
Hi, welcome in. Can I help you find anything today? We have an amazing sale on jackets.
I'm just browsing, thanks.
And just like that, you're free to shop in peace.
It really does work every time. Okay, and if you do find something you like, maybe you need a different size?
Do you have this in a medium, or do you have a bigger size?
And if there's no price tag anywhere?
Excuse me, how much is this one?
And sometimes the store is just enormous, and you get completely lost.
Then it's time for, excuse me, where are the fitting rooms? Or where's the checkout?
Simple questions, but honestly, so useful. Okay, this next one is personal. The gym.
Oh, here we go.
So, sometimes you're standing in front of a machine and you have absolutely no idea what it does.
Just ask. Excuse me, how does this machine work? People are usually so happy to explain.
Exactly. And if someone's using the equipment you want next,
Are you still using this? Or how many more sets do you have?
and funny memory, I was waiting for a treadmill once, and the person on it was walking so slowly, I genuinely thought she was maybe asleep.
No.
So finally, I asked, "Excuse me, are you almost finished?" And she jumped and said, "Oh, sorry, I didn't even notice you were waiting."
Classic gym moment.
We ended up laughing about it together, but honestly, you just have to speak up, even if you hesitate for a second first.
Hesitate. That little pause before you say something, usually because you're nervous. We all hesitate sometimes. It's completely normal.
And with instructors, easy small talk works too. "This class is tough today," or "Any tips for a beginner?"
Instructors love that. It shows you're interested. Okay, now, my personal nightmare, the elevator.
The elevator? Why?
That awkward 10 seconds of silence standing next to your neighbor. It is so uncomfortable.
I know exactly what you mean. You're both just staring at the numbers going up.
Exactly. So instead of standing there in silence, you can just say something small like,
"Cold weather today, huh?" Or "Have a good weekend."
yes, simple comments, not big questions. You're not starting a deep conversation, just something friendly.
It really helps break the ice, doesn't it?
Break the ice. I love that phrase. It just means making the first move so things feel less awkward.
A small comment, a smile, and just like that, the tension disappears.
Okay, Laramie, I think it's time.
Time for what exactly?
The story, the delivery guy, security.
Oh, right. Everyone, get ready.
All right, fine. But first, patterns. This last scenario is home routines and deliveries.
Right. So if you need your roommate's help with something, you can just ask.
Can you do me a favor, or could you help me with something real quick?
And if you're heading out and your roommate might need something too,
You say, I have to run an errand. Do you need anything?
run an errand, a great phrase. It just means a small task outside the house, like going to the store or the post office.
Exactly. Okay, now, the story.
Finally.
All right, so I'm home alone and the doorbell rings. It's a delivery.
Mm-hmm.
And the delivery guy says something like, can you sign for this? But I don't know if it was his accent or if I was just distracted. I heard something completely different.
Okay, what did you think he said?
I genuinely thought he said, can you fight for this? I have no idea why. My brain just totally mixed up the words.
Mixed up. Oh my gosh, Swayze.
I know, so I just stood there in the doorway, completely confused, like, wait, fight? Why would I need to fight?
What did you do?
I got so nervous, I started asking him all these random questions, just trying to figure out what he actually meant.
Figure out, yes. Trying to understand something confusing piece by piece.
Exactly. And meanwhile, the poor guy just got more and more confused, too. So he calls down to the building's front desk just to check everything was okay.
And that's the security part?
That's the security part. The guard comes upstairs, we all figure out it was just one silly misunderstanding, we have a good laugh, and I finally sign for my package.
That is, hands down, the funniest story you have ever told me.
It was so embarrassing in the moment, genuinely. But now, great story.
This is exactly why we wanted to share these with you today. Everyone has moments like this.
After a story like that, I think there's something important to say.
What's that?
That it's completely okay to not be perfect. Nobody speaks a new language perfectly. Nobody.
Absolutely. And when you don't know a word mid-conversation, you don't need to panic.
Right, you can just say, let me think. That buys you a little time.
Or, how can I say this, while you search for the right word?
These small phrases are so useful, especially when you feel put on the spot.
Put on the spot. That feeling when someone's waiting for your answer and suddenly there's all this pressure.
Exactly. And you don't have to come up with a perfect sentence immediately.
Come up with, meaning to think of or create an idea or an answer.
Take your time. Even native speakers hesitate and search for words sometimes.
The most important thing? Just keep talking. Keep trying.
Okay, it's quiz time. Are you ready to test what you learned today?
Let's do it! And remember, you can always pause if you need a little extra time.
Question 1. Which phrase means a small task you do outside, like going to the post office?
3,
2.
1.
The answer is run an errand.
Nice job if you got that one.
Question 2. Which phrase means to understand something after thinking it through?
3,
2.
1.
Figure out.
Like Swayze, trying to figure out what the delivery guy actually said.
Very funny. Question 3. Which phrase means to relax and spend time with friends?
3, 2, 1.
Hang out.
Easy one.
Question 4. Which word means to pause for a second because you're nervous or unsure?
3, 2, 1.
Hesitate.
Perfect. Question 5. Which phrase describes that moment your mind goes completely blank?
3, 2, 1.
Froze up, like me at the cafe.
Exactly. Last one. Which phrase means to say something friendly to make an awkward moment feel more comfortable?
3, 2, 1.
Break the ice.
Look at you. You just learned 6 brand new phrases.
And don't forget the others we used today. Mixed up, small talk, awkward, put on the spot, and come up with. 5 more.
11 new phrases in one episode. That's incredible.
Seriously, thank you so much for spending these 15 minutes with us today.
Every question, every comment you leave, we genuinely read them all. So tell us your most awkward English story down below.
And remember, mistakes are not embarrassing. They're just proof that you're trying.
Exactly. So keep speaking, keep laughing at yourselves a little, and keep coming back.
We'll see you in the next episode. Until then, say cheese.
Not kiss.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.